When my kids see my videos, all they do is laugh. What am I doing wrong? Well, that's a great question, and the answer is you're not doing anything wrong, but I do understand why the people that are closest to you react sort of funny when they see your videos. And in this video I will teach you how to deal with that without going into hiding right away. I'm Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this YouTube channel because I help you to get visible for your favorite target audience. It's great that video works so well for your marketing, but you're probably not waiting for all kinds of criticism on your videos. And then, when the criticism comes, it comes from the people who are really near to you, the people you love, your children, your partner, your friends, your family, your neighbors. Well, sometimes it can feel a bit disappointing to get criticism on your videos from the people who should be supporting you, but it does make sense. If your loved ones say, well, I do not recognize you the way you really are when I see your videos, they are right. Of course, it's a very different situation being at home with your family than being in front of a camera. That doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your videos. You're just not making them for your partner, your children and your friends. You are making them for your target group who need to see your videos in order to get the chance to get to know you. And they do not need you as a mother, they need you as an entrepreneur. So please don't feel bad about the reactions of your family to your videos. Don't even show them your videos when you're just starting out. The only way you know your videos are doing their job is when you get a reaction from someone who didn't know you before they saw your video. And those people will never say your voice sounds weird, because it doesn't. It's great if people who love you want to help you with your videos, but please always stay in control yourself about what you say and how, because at the end of the day, your target audience will choose to work with you and not with your family. Are you getting any comments from your loved ones on your videos? Or are you not sharing it with them at all? Please let me know in the comments below this video. And if you're looking for a way to be more relaxed when presenting on camera, this video will help you to never say in your videos again.